First snow this year, and the forecast is 2 to 3 feet.
Run around here all the time. That way it'll be easy. Keiko, watch out. Not really. Hon, it's the blizzard of 2009.
Daddy, can I help with the sidewalk, Dad?
This is only half of what's going to be, huh?
Can I help with the...
Well, I already did the sidewalk.
It's very rare that the boy wants to help.
Actually, I helped last year.
Yes, you did. And here's Caleb.
Which way should I hit him? Come on, Kago. I don't know. Stop it. Stop sneaking. Kago, don't fuck with me. I'm turning.
Keiko. Keiko.
Call it mommy or dad.
Keiko. What are you doing?
Sliding. That's really fun.
There's Mom and Keiko. Smile, Keiko. Wave.
Ready, go.
Caleb.
Show that you're licking that. May lick it, may. Stick it down. Han have a video of your icicle hair.
It's already gone. I dried it. But we have what? We've got a good foot. More than a foot maybe already.
Look at this.
I think so. Easily more. And the neighborhood is
Can you make snow?
quite
I can't.
There.
covered.
Caleb, go make
Right now it's snow. Making angels in the snow. And the house is, this is after shoveling. Hi, hon.
Guys, look at that. Keiko, how can you push that here?
Kago. Kago, you want me to pull you?
And it's about, what, 23 degrees Fahrenheit out here. Pretty cold.
Yeah.